From what began as a peaceful protest on the first day of August, where Nigerians both old and young thronged major streets across the country seeking for good governance, clashes were witnessed with security operatives who claimed the protest was hijacked. A lockdown across major cities, especially up north, was enforced and several arrests also made. However, the drama did not end with the protest, as findings have revealed that the federal government has allegedly obtained a court injunction to detain those arrested for the next 2 months, a situation not going down well with many of the civil movement in the country.
The order was given by Justice Emeka Hunwite of the Federal High Court Abuja, and it was given for 2 different sets of detainees. The first set was the 75 or 76 persons brought from the north for carrying Russian flag, which is their democratic human rights to free expression, free symbolic expression. And then 49 other protesters, including Michael Lenin, Monsieur Sodiq, Comrade Okwalu Eleojo, Angel Innocent, and others.
Second, that they did not have access to fair hearing, or having access to their lawyers. Their side of the arguments could not be heard. Third, I'd like for us to look at the arguments that they had put forward to get the ex parte motion. One of the laws they had used, they used the Cybercrime Act and they used the Terrorism Prevention Act to get the remand order for these kids. Most of them were children. Does not make any sense at all. When the protests become acts of terrorism, we really need to be careful in this country.
Some have described the action by the government as a clampdown on the rights of citizens.
25th of August, they need another 60 days to remand these children. Let's also be reminded that following the due process of law meant that their lawyers needed to have been there, that some of the protesters were children. And remanding children, that you should have not just their lawyers, but also you should have social workers present in court, able to give their perspectives on these issues.
Some of them with health conditions have not been able to get their medications. And right now, Sodiq's leg and arms and body are swelling up.
You have ex parte applications where they try and restrict the freedom of movement freedom of movement with regards to protests. They ask for extra access to people's information, violating their right to privacy. I think the Nigerian citizen has to charge the judiciary to ensure that they err on the side of human rights.
With the Justice Nwite's ruling currently on appeal, the 124 protesters arrested will have to remain in police custody pending the ruling of the appellate court. In Abuja for News Central, I am Emmanuel, Bagudu.